Now we're going to finish putting together our peanut butter fudge pie. We have our peanut butter cream filling and our graham cracker crust with our chocolate ganache. You're just going to scoop your peanut butter cream filling over the ganache filling. Scrape all that out, get it all in there, and then spread that peanut butter cream filling around evenly and just smooth it out on the top. Now I've reserved my ganache filling, 1/3 of the ganache filling, and we're going to put that over the top. Just spread that lightly over the top. Let me use a spatula so I can get it, more of it out. And just scrape that, the remainder of that out, and spread it over the pie. There we go. It's all over the pan, so I'm just going to scrape that out. Okay. And just very gently, because you don't want to disturb the peanut butter cream filling, just gently push it out to the edge a little more. Okay, we're not covering the whole top. We're going to leave a little rim of the cream showing. And just push that ganache a nice circle around the center. There, looks delicious. Then I'm going to take some graham cracker crumb and sprinkle that around the edge. There, and we could finish this off by decorating it with a little bit of whipped cream. You can use some chocolate chips to sprinkle on the edge. We'll whip up a little extra cream or use a can of whipped cream and put a little bit of decoration on that.